Hi,
Hi sir.
how are you?
Fine sir.
What is your name?
My name is Ramareddy.
Okay, very good. What is your trade?
Structural fitter.
Very good. Okay. Do you have the experience?
Yes sir.
Where?
HPCL.
HBCL?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You do in ships.
Yes sir.
Okay, very good. Can you tell the symbols this one?
Angle sir. L.
What angle?
L angle.
L angle. What is this?
Yeah, pipe sir.
What is this?
C channel sir.
Okay, very good. What is this?
I beam sir.
This one?
H beam sir.
This one?
Yellow section.
What yellow section?
Square yellow section.
Okay, very good. Do you know the drawing?
Yes sir.
Okay. Can you tell the total length?
Total length 5 meter 438 sir.
Okay. Then can you tell here to here how much?
489 sir.
489. Okay. What is this?
Is connecting plate sir.
Connecting plate?
Yes sir.
What beam this one?
Is H beam sir.
H beam or what beam?
H beam. I
I
beam.
beam?
Yes sir.
Okay. Don't confuse. Do you know the cascading?
Yes sir.
Grinding?
Yes sir.
Tacking?
Yes sir.
Okay. Can do. Go and do.
Okay.